me how this is something that is only going to disadvantage you and not the like 70,000 other people who are sitting with you. This problem is universal. This problem is going to be faced by every single aspirant. You are exclusively not at a disadvantage. So work on yourself. Do not think that I'll be left behind. You won't be left behind for this new technique, because then everyone is behind. Hi guys, how are you? I know CLAT is in like 2 days or probably hours away. This is one last video from my side that you guys are asking. मेरी आवाज़ कोल्ड हो गया है, फीवर हो गया है, ठीक गाइज. नंबर 1, ये जो नोटिफिकेशन आई है कि आप एनसर्कल या अंडरलाइन वगैरह कुछ नहीं कर सकते. एट फर्स्ट मुझे लगा था ये उतना सीरियस नहीं है, बट टर्न्स आउट कि ये सीरियस है. सबसे पहली बात तो हर्ष सर ने एक जो बहुत ही लाइक रादर इंटेलिजेंट उपाय बताया है कि आप पेन में से इंक निकाल लो या फिर वो इंक खत्म करके ले जाओ. मतलब कि आप पेन लगाओ तो वहाँ बस मार्क लगे ताकि आपको आइडिया रहे कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेट सोल्यूशन. सेकेंडली इज दैट लोग नहीं ध्यान दे रहे हो जिस चीज़ पे, इज दैट गाइज CLAT centers are very subjective. The most important thing to do now in this scenario, जहाँ पर एक literally like 2-3 दिन पहले आपको बोला आपका method change कर देने के लिए, in such a scenario the most important thing that becomes is then reading the room. क्या मतलब है मेरा reading the room? कि हो सकता है कि आपका invigilator बहुत ज़्यादा strict हो, आपको पेंसिल भी ना यूज़ करने दे, ठीक है. और हो सकता है आपका इन्विजिलेटर इतना लीनियंट हो कि वो ऑलमोस्ट पूरे टाइम रूम में ही ना है, वो बाहर ही किसी से बात करता रहे. ऑफ कोर्स रूल ये है कि आपको नहीं अब करना है, तो ऑफ कोर्स लाइक टेक अ पेंसिल, बट अंडरस्टैंड दैट सो मच डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर देयर, वेदर और नॉट you'll be actually able to do that. Of course you're not going to ask invigilator, like of course you're not asking them, वरना फिर वो लिटरली आप ही को देखेंगे. whatever you decide to do there, आप पेंसिल से अंडरलाइन कर रहे हो, पेंसिल से मार्क कर रहे हो, या फिर पेंसिल से टिक कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे हो, पेन चला रहे हो थोड़ा बहुत, मेक श्योर दैट वॉट एवर दैट यू डू देयर इट्स इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द रूम, राइट? इट्स इन अकॉर्डेंस विद वॉट इज हैपनिंग देयर. हाउ इज द इन्विजिलेटर? You understand कि अभी 60 to 70% is dependent upon what happens there. If invigilators do not even have any idea कि CLAT का full form क्या होता है and what do they have to do, you can conveniently do the whole thing with pencil. Right, but in case invigilators are like okay nahi aaj to matlab I need to just totally justify that I'm paid, then it's a whole different scenario. Then no matter what you cannot prepare for what's going to happen there, because they won't even let you touch the pencil. That's why I'm telling you that apart from practicing sectionals and mocks the way that you want to do over there, apart from that practice, आप ये जो mental preparedness इसके अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो. Make sure to read the room, because I'm actually surprised by how you all don't understand that almost every CLAT center is different, right? Somewhere people get 5 minutes extra time, somewhere people don't get extra time, rather उनको और 5 मिनट कम मिलता है. So that has to be in accordance with जो भी वहाँ माहौल बना होगा. And lastly इस notification के regarding ये है कि मुझे नहीं पता, लाइक अचानक से लास्ट राउंड पे बोल देना, इट्स जस्ट आई कैन नॉट इमेजिन दैट, राइट? बट इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक ओके नाउ व्हाट डू आई डू, right? So except for practice and the mental preparedness, there's literally nothing else that I can do. There's nothing else that you can do right now. There's literally nothing else. Understand? Lastly, you're not the only one जिसके साथ ये situation apply हो रही है. If it is a hell upon you, it is a hell upon everyone else. That is what I want you to understand, and that's why this still remains a level playing field. The guy or the girl who had been scoring like 100 plus in all the mocks has the same problem as you have when you're scoring, let's say 50 or 60. So it is a level playing field. Secondly, y'all are like कि मेरे अभी तक 70 नहीं पार हुए. Do you think CLAT is even worth it? मेरे अभी तक इतना score नहीं हुआ. Should I even sit for it? Listen to me guys, legal edge का mock मैं देती थी, I only crossed 70 twice, right? I got 71.75 this time, like sometime, and 70, and that was the highest I went to. And in CLAT my score is like I said 91.75. अब देखो मैं, of course paper was the easiest it has been in probably a decade, obviously, but the thing is that how do you make any sort of assumption like that? Of course, like देखो अगर आपके मॉक में 30s and 40s आ रहे हैं, of course, and you do not have any category, like you're general, I'll be very honest, there are most chances are that you won't be able to do that. But also there are fair chances, if you are even like low-key average to high right now, but you have really put in all the work, that you shine over there. There have been literally so many cases when people like score so over here and score like go to like top 3 NLUs, and there have been people who are always among like the top 10-50 scorers but do not make it there. And that's why I'm saying, what I mean to say right now is that what matters is how much hard work you've put. Even if you're an atheist, understand that God keeps the count, right? If you've worked hard a lot, and luck does not have anything better for you, you're gonna do this. You are going to crack this. You have prepared for this. It makes no sense why you still won't do that until unless God has something better for you, right? And I have this very one strong criteria: have you worked for it? If on one last day you feel like, you know what, I wasted all my time, I did not do what I should have, and I regret everything that I did, you're answering yourself. And I do not confuse this with unpreparedness, right? Because even the best of aspirants, till the last day they go like, मुझे GK में ये कर लेना चाहिए था, ये ऐसे कर लेना चाहिए था, ये वैसे कर लेना चाहिए. I'm not talking about that. If there is a resounding voice inside your head that I wasted all my time, I hardly gave any mocks, I hardly analyzed anything, I hardly did maths, if you have all of those big voices, understand the reality. Okay, understand. And this is obviously not to demotivate, obviously, right? But also there is no point of me saying that everyone is on the same field when everyone is not on the same field. There are people who have worked hard, and even if they don't have their result right now, that's what I'm trying to say, that if you've worked really hard and even if you don't have your result right now, be assured you will get it in CLAT, right? Be assured. I literally went from 70 to 90 in CLAT. So of course, like extraneous variable को लेकर मैं कह रही हूँ, but do not go like I don't feel prepared. Go like, have you prepared? Just ask yes or no. Have you prepared? Do not ask, do you feel prepared? You are asking yourself the wrong question, right? Now is the most important section. Okay, flukes. Right now I'm going to tell you a story as to how flukes really saved me, and had I not done this flukes thing, I would not be in top 10 NLUs as of right now. I'm being really honest. How come? And till what extent? I prepared for maths approximately for a month, not October, November, right? And it was like, you give me a question, I'll be able to solve that. हो सकता है मुझे ज़्यादा time लगे, but I'll be able to solve that. I prepared maths in a way that I was like, okay, if they give decent maths and they give decent time, I'll be able to score, because मुझे पता है कि बिना maths के nothing makes sense. You're out of the race, doesn't matter. So what happens? Listen, I give the paper according to the time that should be taken for each section, okay? In the end, I'm left with 15 minutes and maths. Now, the kind of people who've prepared for maths, you'll go like, okay, fine, that's perfect, let's do that. I had only started maths a month ago, so I was not great at it. But I was like, you know what, I'm still gonna try, because 2024 ke maths ke sets were easy, albeit lengthy. What happens next is that मैं देख रही हूँ कि 10 मिनट जा चुके हैं, and I'm on only one set. मैंने दूसरा set start भी नहीं किया है. And so I was able to solve only one set in those 13-14 minutes, and I was left with 1 minute and that entire dusra part, right? The dusra set of QT. I said, I have 1 minute, I won't be able to solve this. I'm going to leave those questions anyhow. Let me extract even 1 marks if possible. What I do is I mark all of the 6 as B. Getting it? कि B, which means that, of course, I think अभी तक आप लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा, the chances of it getting negative are very slim if you do the calculations. What happens is that when I mark all B, because I just have a minute, I cannot do anything else. Even if I can score 2.5 out of this, what's the harm, right? Because anyways, I'm going to score a 0 now. It turned out that in the end I scored 1.25 or 1.5 from just this tukka thing. Okay. Now guys, 2 things, right? My CLAT score in 2024, when I say 91.75, understand how perfect it was. I made almost I had full in English, almost no errors in GK. Legal had a bit and CR had a bit. The only place I lagged was maths. Had I done maths, had I practiced maths from before, which means had I done maths, I would have been able to do that in 15 minutes. And when you do 91.75 plus 6, that gives you 97.75, which is a top 3 NLU score, probably Bangalore or probably like Hyderabad. So I got out of the top 3 race because of the fact that I started maths late, but here is the key. I stayed in the top 10 because I did maths. But this video is not about maths. It's already too late now. The fact is that understand what would have happened had I not scored that 1.25 or 1.5 in those last 1 minute जिसमें मैंने सारा B करा था last वाला. My score would have been 90 point something. And when I say 90 point something, then because I'm general, that pushes me to like almost tier 3 NLUs. Probably somewhere on the border, but I would definitely not be sitting in NLU Lucknow, right? I think जिन्हें गलत lesson लेना है, they'll take it. Despite of me providing so many disclaimers, what I'm saying is that understand that Tukke are the last resort and never an option. In no world could I have done 6 questions of maths in 1 minute. I was about to get 0. I was like, let me get even 0.25 if possible. So what I'm saying is that Tukke is this thing that you do in the worst case scenario, okay? And of course, like जो guess होता है कि हो सकता है ये हो answer, that is fine. But blind all B's and all C's, I do not support that at all until unless there is a context, like I explained, right? Lastly, with this throat, I really didn't want to do, and if you have stuck around abhi tak मेरी इस आवाज़ के साथ, CLAT 2025 was essentially the first season I had as a mentor. And I'll be very honest, मैं नहीं टाइम ज़्यादा यहाँ बिता पाई. I was just engrossed in like college की, फिर पढ़ाई हो रहा था, फिर debating गिर जा रही थी. I was not free for a second, and I definitely regret that. Okay, so for CLAT 2026 aspirants, I'm all there, but for 25, goodbye. I had a really good time with you. I swear, I learned so much. I don't know. I just feel like I know you all don't know me or like it's like that, but I just feel like if somebody is giving CLAT 2025 and it's just a viewer, like not subscribed or anything, it's just a viewer of mine, all the very best. You know what I mean? You make it or you don't make it. Trust me, life has its path. And you'll say, okay आर्या तुम philosophical हो रही हो क्योंकि तुम हमें pacify करना चाह रहे हो. नहीं, you've done the work, you'll get to a place wherein you want to be in the end. बट आई नो अभी ये सब कुछ सेंस नहीं बनाएगा. मैं एक्चुअली जब ऐसी बात होती थी मैं स्किप कर देती थी वीडियो बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक शट अप, जस्ट गिव मी बैंगलोर. ओके, आई रियली विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. if you've done hard work, I'm praying for you genuinely, right? And just comment whatever you're feeling right now, and I'll allay all your fears if you have any. Batch of not yet batch, अभी आप batch of 2030 बनने वाले हो आप लोग. Okay, so goodbye CLAT 2025 aspirants. See you. I had a very nice time with you all.